People think CAPTCHAs stop all automated testing completely. That misconception wastes developer time and blocks reliable regressions. I'm a QA engineer and automation specialist with testing experience. Frequent CAPTCHA interruptions skew test results and delay releases. Use CAPTCHA interception to automate CAPTCHA handling in tests. It simulates human solving deterministically for consistent end-to-end tests. Integrates seamlessly into existing CI/CD pipelines and automation suite supports. Accessibility and usability assessments. By removing false barriers, we reduced flaky test failures by over 30%. Regression runs became stable. Deployment cadence increased significantly. Easy SDKs and REST APIs let developers add it in minutes. Built with security and privacy controls for compliance. Conscious teams. CAPTCHA interception improves test reliability, accessibility, and release velocity. Try a free evaluation build integrated into your CI today. Contact sales or check docs for onboarding and pricing details.